Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Ford Focus equipped with 2.0 liter engine, and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter, which will be located just under this cover. This video should apply to third generation of Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the first thing to do is to remove a couple of screws. So I have one here, one down here, one just down there, and one on this side. So total of 4 screws, and you will need the 8mm socket and a ratchet to do so. Okay, now one more tip: you don't actually have to completely remove the screws. You just want to loosen them up enough so the cover separates from the bottom part, you see, so the screws can stay in the upper cover. Okay, and once you loosen them up all, you just want to leave the cover up, and here is your filter. Okay, so actually you want to leave that cover completely up because the filter is actually attached to the bottom of it. And here is the filter, and now you just want to pop it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, now actually, so when you're installing this filter back in, so when I removed this cover, the filter was kind of attached to the cover, but filter is actually supposed to be attached to this opening right here. So when installing the new filter in, what you will do, you will actually first install this filter, you see, just here, and attach it. And now the filter is in place, and once the filter is in place, then you will install the cover on top of it. That's gonna be the easiest way. Your other option is first you can install the filter to the back of this top housing and then try to put everything back in its place, but this is the easier way. And once you do that, you can just install the cover on top of it, and you want to watch this this edge of the filter sitting inside this groove on the edge of the cover, you see. I'm doing this for the first time as well, so I had to figure it out, but this is what you want to do, right? I'm trying to work with one hand, and if you do it this way, everything should fit nice. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.